Hi! Mabuhay! I am Cathy and today I'll show you the way how I make my art. Welcome to my video!
My drawing, Bird for Mental Health, symbolizes the journey toward emotional healing and inner freedom. The bird represents the human spirit, fragile yet resilient. Just as birds soar freely through the sky, our minds, when nurtured, can rise above struggles like anxiety, stress, and sadness. The wings of the bird reflect hope and courage, reminding us that we all have the strength to overcome emotional challenges. Its flight is a metaphor for letting go of burdens, embracing peace, and moving forward with a sense of purpose and calm. Nature, especially birds, has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind. Hearing bird songs or simply watching them can bring moments of mindfulness and joy. Through this drawing, I hope to show that, like a bird, we too can find balance, lightness, and freedom in caring for our mental health.